I am honored to welcome you all to an evening of celebration and new beginnings. To the class of 2022, congratulations.
Be with us as we celebrate the achievements of our studies.
To the events that we have that captivate not only the students on campus, but also the various stakeholders at Cleveland State University, we can confidently say that we, the Office of Inclusion and Multicultural Engagement, have arrived.
I never want this feeling right here to end. The feeling of completeness. But today, you get to walk across that red carpet, receive your Hispanic heritage, LGBTQ plus soul, Pan-Asian, Native American, and multicultural soul. So I'm very honored that I am here to share that with you.
When we look at the stoles here that will soon be on the shoulders of our graduates, what we're signaling is honoring the people who bring their heritage proudly with them to their educational experience. You are not this or that, you are this and this. You bring your identity and the identity of people who went before you and make it a part of your education. And when you do that, you enrich this campus for everybody. And for that, I think we all owe you a debt of gratitude. Really, thank you so much.